Good afternoon, everybody. It's Monday afternoon. It's just after, well, I haven't had my lunch, but it's, I think, just after noon. And I've come out with the gorgeous, which one? The gorgeous Darcy. Darcy, the Velcro Viszla, we call her, wherever she's gone. Come on. Oh, she's right beside me. Aren't you, Darcy? Darcy, here. She's a good girl. Oh, I don't think she likes the rain. I don't think she wants to be out. But there we are. This way, Darcy. We're going to go a wee walk. We've had the 2 or 3 days of heat wave and we've really been needing rain. And somebody said we didn't want torrential rain because the ground's been so dry. We wanted kind of some showers, I think. Well, slightly more than showers. That's us looking down into kind of part of a wee loch. I know, come on, Darcy. We'll just pootle along. Nice wee dawdles with Darcy. So we could have the Pat's Pootles and we could have the Darcy Doodles. The Dawdles. The Dawdles with Doodles. She gets all sorts of nicknames. But it's lovely being out, even in the rain. It's kind of sheltered a bit under the trees, but I'm so excited. I should have done this years ago. In fact, during lockdown, when I did daily videos, I wish I'd kind of known how to stream them. And this morning, I downloaded streaming software because I was chatting to my good friend Dave, a lovely Irish friend, and I did a video last week where you saw my face instead of the doggies, you saw me, and I was doing it on just believing in yourself, and we were chatting and he said it's so important to have self-care, take care of yourself. So I decided I've always wanted to continue to do the videos, not daily, but maybe weekly, fortnightly, not sure yet. So having downloaded this streaming software, I have scheduled a video tomorrow called Self-Care at 10 o'clock. Now they will be recorded, so I think you can look at them again. But I want to know how it goes, because that's the first one I've done with the streaming software. But self-care is so important. And you'll find out some easy tips. Look how vibrant and green the leaves are with the rain. Isn't it, Darcy? She's looking for places to shelter. So I hope you managed to tune in or catch up with my videos later. And of course, you can always go to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. You just click the subscribe button. I'm trying to increase my subscribers. And thank you for everyone who already does that. And yes, I know I missed my podcast last month, so I'm going to do one, I think maybe 2 this month. I'll do one this week and one later. They're usually around the 20th, 24th. And please, if you've got any topics you'd like me to talk about, because we all need my ABC actually. They're like, I call them a friend on the shoulder. Easy tips, but difficult to do because you've got to practice them. And it's the same with self-care. So try and get into a routine. It's only a minute or 2. You don't need hours. You don't need, even half an hour, less than that. Couple of minutes, 3 minutes, sometimes less. I can do my ABC now in probably a minute. If I'm feeling overwhelmed, I just need to stop and go, I feel good, I'm calm, do my breathing, and then just visualise myself out in nature. nature puts a different perspective on everything, and it makes you creative as well, and creativity builds resilience. And of course we need resilience to cope with all life's challenges. And of course if you've got a pet, for me it's dogs, but they just give unconditional love. They give you hugs. What do you see, Darcy? What do you see? Nothing? I can hear voices in the distance. I'm going to go up into the top end of the park today. Stay under the woods, under the trees. And I think that's children's voices I hear, so the children's nursery is out. They come out in all sorts of weathers. It's absolutely fabulous getting children. It's so good for them to get them out into nature and just enjoy being outside. Lots of activities. No electronic gadgets in sight. Now when we come out in the sunshine the other day, some of these bushes and flowers were wilting, and with the rain they're all standing up now, looking, enjoying, shall we say, enjoying the drink from the rain. We'll head up here, Darcy. Oh, I can hear voices. Children's voices. And we've got to be careful because doggies haven't to go near the children. And if there's any kind of rain, particularly if it gets quite heavy, these paths can become very muddy. Hiya Maggie. I love having your post of where you have coffee in the morning. I don't know if it's raining where you are. I know thunderstorms were warned yesterday and I only heard thunder. I think one clap of thunder and that was it. But it's definitely rainy today. It's beautiful out actually. Quite pleasant to be under the trees and the rain falling in the trees. Now I'm near the land, is it the not landfill, but they're obviously clearing some of the rubbish. That's not thunder. They're working hard this morning, so that's interrupting the peace. But you can block the peace out, block the noise out, just take your mind somewhere else. You see the paths are getting muddy. Oh, nearly get stuck in the mud there. Oh, is this good? Darcy, is this good? There's another path along there. I hope you watched my video the other day, because that's another visualisation you can do. You can imagine yourself walking in the woods or walking somewhere and coming across like a fork in the road, and just you stop for a minute and just, what's your heart, your soul, your mind, your eye drawn to? Which one feels like as if it will give you energy, and which one feels a bit maybe challenging? But take either path, because no matter what you take, it's the one you're meant to take, and that's kind of what happens in life. You take what you think is a fabulous route, career or life-changing, personal changes, and then you find it brings more challenges. But that's what life's all about. You need to be able to cope with these challenges. And if, of course, you take care of yourself, you're looking after your emotional, your psychological, your mental and physical well-being. Now, I know many people have challenges, medical conditions, other things, but just remember, try and take some responsibility for, or taking charge of managing your condition. It's quite noisy this morning. I thought I'd miss all of that. Now we're seeing another wee doggy up there, and Darcy always wonders, I wonder what they're like. Look at the architecture of this tree here. It's absolutely amazing. There's definitely something about trees. And I've said before, is that, well, I'm going to get the name wrong, but they give off good vibes. Phytosin, it helps your immune system. And look at that. It's just so intricate. Now it's a bit wet today, but I'm just going to lean against it and just soak up its energy. Right, we'll head on up, and the Highland cows, the Highland coos, may be out. Maybe not in this rain. They've been in for quite a while. But the fields and woods up here, they're part of the veterinary school at Glasgow University. And I think the Highland cows, my lovely red-headed cousins, they belong to the vet school. So we'll head up and see if we can see them. Oh, there's another doggy coming. That's a big black dog. Right, Darcy, you're okay. Yeah, who's that? Doggy wanted to play. Hello there. Come on, Darcy. Hi. That's good, quite a social dog, Darcy. She kind of bypasses smaller doggies, but it's good when they don't fight and they just all get on. Makes for a pleasant walk. Right, we're up near the fields. I wonder if the Highland cows are out, Darcy. that big long path there, that takes us down to one of the main roads. I think that's down to the switchback, which is a busy road into the outskirts of Glasgow. Right, this way, Darcy, and we'll go this way. Oh, there's noise above us, there's planes. Somebody may be going on holiday to warmer climes. It's a good dog. There we are. And there's, oh, look, there's all sorts of wee paths. So many paths here. I don't think I've ever been through them all. And I've probably mentioned before, but sometimes I used to think that you could get lost, but I met kind of a park ranger and he said no, all the paths lead to another path which leads out of the park. So that's really quite good. No Highland cows today, I don't think, by the looks of it. Right, let's see. It's quiet, a few people out and about. Right, that's where the Highland cows usually are. No, not today. Too wet for them. Their coats would get drenched and become very heavy, wouldn't they, Darcy? Oh, I think there's a couple ahead of us. They've been looking for the Highland cows as well. Maybe they're in the next field. Right. Let's see if they're here. That couple, I don't know if they're hikers or just out for a walk, but they were certainly down looking into the field. So let's see. Then I know what Darcy wants. Isn't it, Darcy? You coming? Darcy just wants home then. Right, now they went down there to see the fields. No, no cows today. Are you getting wet, Darcy? Are you? Come on then. Come on. Oh, I love this, she just stops. Right, are we really going this way? What's that little brain saying, Darcy? Oh dear. Why are you bringing me out on this rainy day? She goes to the office with my son, that's her owner, and I went in and she was sitting comfortably under one of the desks. Now she greeted me, she always does, like, oh, whoa, whoa, you know, I'm desperate to see me. But now that we're out, will we turn back, Darcy? What way will we go? Oh, the head's going that way. She says, back please. Will we go this way? Will we go back? We go back this way? Is that a good idea? Oh, it's a shame. Is it? Is it a shame? What am I doing to you? Eh? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Where will we go? She's giving me the eye. Right. We go this way? Oh, yes, she says this is it. Home. She knows. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that walk. It's been lovely to be out. I'm enjoying it. Darcy will be pleased to be going back to her master's office where she'll get maybe a wee treat and given the care of the other office staff. So she's called the Lettings pup. The Lettings pup. So she's the office pup, the mascot. So just remember, everybody, try and tune in tomorrow, 10 o'clock. I hope it works. I've scheduled it, so we'll see what happens. And about self-care, very important. And remember today, my ABCs, please, your friend on the shoulder. What's your A today, your affirmation? I think it should be, I am thankful for the rain. So many places have needed it. So I'm thankful for the rain. The breathing, remember your deep breathing, please. It's just so important. It just increases your energy, boosts your energy, yet it calms and relaxes. And I've just noticed some lovely round berries there. And then your creative imagination. I know some people say to me, oh, I can't do this, I can't imagine, I can't use my creative imagination. But it's just, some people use their different senses. Some people can, if they're cooking, they can smell the lovely aroma. That's creative imagination. Or you can maybe hear, if you're down at the beach or at the sea, you listen to the sound of the sea. That's imagination. Or you use touch. Maybe touching, I'm touching one of the trees just now. That's using your creative imagination. And of course, seeing, visualising, you know, imagining with your eyes. So try and use, some people use all their senses. It's great. Try and get into the habit of that. And we're going up this way, Darcy. Come on. You're sheltering under a tree. Come on, this way. Back to the car. Come on, back to the car. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and you probably, maybe many people won't be going out today because of the rain. And I hope I've inspired you a bit and energised you, as well as calming you. And that's Darcy getting more energy now because she knows we're going back to the car. Remember, of course, smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. And virtual hugs to everybody. Thanks for listening and watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.